Hey guys! This lesson is about stative verbs, definition and examples. In English grammar, a stative verb is a verb used primarily to describe a state of being or situation. It's how something is, feels, or appears. These verbs don't show physical action or processes. Stative verbs often relate to thoughts and opinions, feelings and emotions, senses and perceptions, possession and measurement. The situations illustrated by state verbs are unchanging while they last and can continue for a long or indefinite time period. Let's see the list of stative verbs. Adore. I adore good books and the theater. Agree. I agree with you. Appear. She appears a nice enough person to win the election. Appreciate. They really appreciate everything you did for them. Be. He's so interesting. I am happy. Believe. I don't believe what he says. Belong to. She belongs to the school computer club. Concern. The roof of the barn concerns me because eventually it will fall in. Consist of. Coal consists mostly of carbon. Contain. This lesson contains everything about stative verbs. Cost. It cost less than I expected. Deny. He denied the report that he would be quitting his job. Depend on. They depend entirely on her income to pay the bills. Deserve. She deserves a reward for her efforts. Detest. If you really detest your ex-husband, you will stay away from him. Disagree. She and I disagree about it. Dislike. She disliked her boss intensely. Doubt. I seriously doubt my parents will let me go. Equal. 4 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 5. Feel. I feel good about the race's outcome. Hate. I hate the guy next door. Have. You have more shoes than anyone else I know. He has dessert every day. Hear. I hear music coming from Maria's apartment. Imagine. I imagine they will be here. Include. The price includes dinner, bed, and breakfast. Involve. Don't involve other people in your trouble. No. Do you know the answer? Lack. This novel lacks imagination. Like. She really likes you. Loathe. She loathed him on sight. Look. He looked at the car closely before he bought it. Love. I love you. Matter. It matters what the guests wear in my birthday. Mean. Your presence means a lot to me. Measure. Doctors measure the patient's height and weight. Mind. I don't mind to be fat. Need. I need money. Oh. I still owe a lot of money on my student loans. Own. I own a car. Possess. She possesses great wealth. Promise. He promised to do his best as president. Realize. I realize that this may sound crazy, but I think I've fallen in love with her. Recognize. I recognize you now. Remember. I remember the time that we went to the beach. Resemble. She resembles her mother. Satisfy. I think the teacher was satisfied with my speech. See. I see Eric, but he can't see me. Seem. You don't seem to be very happy. Smell. Can you smell the coffee brewing? Sound. Its quality sounds great. Suppose. I suppose he wanted to help. Surprise. I was surprised at his statement. Taste. His ice cream tastes really good. Think. Do you think they will win? Understand. He doesn't really understand the situation. Want. I want to learn more about stative verbs. Weigh. Weigh yourself on the day you begin the diet. Wish. We wished for peace. A verb which isn't stative is called a dynamic verb, and is usually an action. Stative verbs describe a state rather than an action. They aren't usually used in the present continuous form. It was a basic lesson for stative verbs. Thank you for watching. To support me making more videos, please subscribe.